Hello students, this is Ashish Pegadwa from the Electrical Department. Today we will learn source of the light in the subject utilization of electrical energy. So let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn various sources of the light. The first one is carbon filament lamp, halogen lamp, fluorescent tube light, and the last we will learn mercury vapor lamp. Let's start with the various source. Basically light source is grouped in two types, that is incandescent lamp and the second one is discharged lamp. Whereas the incandescent lamp will operate by using heating element, whereas the discharged lamp will operate based on the discharge of the gas. So incandescent lamp having three types, that is carbon filament lamp, metal filament lamp and the halogen lamp. And the discharged lamp having also four types, that is a fluorescent tube light, high pressure mercury vapor lamp, sodium vapor lamp, CFL lamps, and the last one is neon lamps. So let's see one by one. So the first one is carbon filament lamp. So in incandescent lamp, the light globe is an electrical light with a wire filament heated until it glows. So generally carbon is used as a filament in carbon filament lamp. The filament is enclosed in the glass bulb to protect the filament from the oxidation from the atmosphere. Hence, the current is supplied to the filament by terminals or wires embedded in the glass. The bulb socket provides the mechanical support and electrical connection, and the bulb socket may be pin type or screw type. Generally, this incandescent lamp will be manufactured in the wide range and the size. So the light output and the voltage rating may be 1.5 to about 300 volts. It requires no external regulating equipment, have low manufacturing cost, and at the same time work equally well on the either alternating current or direct current. Let's see halogen lamp. So halogen lamp, also known as tungsten halogen or quartz halogen or quartz iodine lamp, because this kind of lamp is a kind of incandescent lamp. Just difference is that we are using tungsten as a filament in halogen lamp. It is a consist of tungsten filament sealed into compact transparent envelope that is a fulfilled with a mixture of an inert gas and small amount of a halogen such as iodine, bromine. The combination of the halogen gas and the tungsten filament will produce a halogen cycle of a chemical reaction which redeposit and evaporated tungsten to the filament, which increase the life and maintaining the clarity of the envelope. Hence the illumination will improve. This allows the filament to operate at a higher temperature because melting temperature of the tungsten is around 3400 degrees Celsius. That is standard incandescent lamp of a similar power and operating life. This also produces the light with the higher luminous efficacy and color temperature. The small size of halogen lamps permits their uses in compact optical systems for projector and illumination. Let's see fluorescent tube light. So this is a figure of the fluorescent tube light which having two electrode and one glass tube having starter, ballast, capacitor and having one switch, and we have provided AC supply to the fluorescent tube light. Let's see how it will work. So the AC alternating current passes through the ballast. This ballast will step up the 120 volt AC into the around 216 volt such that it will increase the voltage and power pass through the choke or reactor. Thus the power will pass through the choke and the reactor such that this reactor will limit the current and prevent the lamp from creating type of a short circuit which would destroy the lamp, and thus all the arc discharge lamp require choke to limit the current. The lamp glass tube is also called as a discharge tube, and it works by having electrons pass from one electrode to the other. So to start the lamp, it requires higher peak of the voltage, hence the arc will produce it having inert gas as the argon and having mercury. So as we provide the higher voltage in starting such that the mercury will convert from liquid to the vapor, it will ionize argon gas. As the ionization of the argon gas will emit the light from the tube light, and the colder the gas, the higher the resistance, therefore need a higher voltage with colder temperature. There are different ways to start a lamp including preheat, instant start, rapid start, quick start, semi-resonant start, and program start. Let's see last, that is a mercury vapor lamp. So this is a diagram of mercury vapor lamp. It having one glass bulb, steam, filament, starting electrode, main electrode, screw cap, terminal, etc. So mercury vapor lamp is a gas discharge lamp that uses the electrical arc through vaporization of mercury, which will produce the light. The arc discharge is generally confined to a small fused quartz arc tube, which will mounted on the larger borosilicate of a glass bulb, which mounted within a larger borosilicate glass bulb. The outer bulb may be clear or coated with the phosphorus. In other case, the outer bulb provide radiation, the light produced, and the convenient mounted for a fused quartz arc tube. The mercury vapor lamps are more energy efficient than incandescent lamp and most fluorescent light, with luminous efficacy of around 35 to the 65 lumens per watt. The other advantages are a long bulb lifetime in a range of around 24,000 hours and higher intensity as well as clear white light output. For above reason, the mercury vapor lamp are used for larger area like overhead lighting such as factories, warehouse, sports as well as street lights, etc. Let's see question for assignment. The first one is explain sources of a light. Second is explain carbon filament lamp. And the last one is explain halogen lamp. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.